Do you often need to create videos for messages and lessons? If so, you know the hassle of creating video content. You have to download software or plugin and then install them, blah blah blah. Hosting high-quality 4K and HDR video is also a hassle of its own. So, I was looking for an effective solution that would allow me to record video with no installation and also host in 4K with ease. Meet Adilo. This simple platform has solved all my video recording and hosting problems. In this video, you will learn how it can solve your problem too. What is Adilo? Adilo is an ultra-secure and powerful video hosting platform with tools that help you drive engagement, generate sales, and increase conversions. With this tool, you will enjoy fast HD, SD, and 4K audio and video hosting, completely ad-free with all-in-one dashboard to manage your content. Its customizable and sleek video player allows you to change the player's colors and add your logo to match your branding. You can use the real-time analytics and engagement heat map, visualize your video performance and identify areas of improvement. You can also apply SEO settings to get all your videos ranking on search engine results to drive more traffic. Adilo features. Adilo has been created to solve video creation, sharing, and hosting problems. So, it comes with features that can help you do so. Some of the features are given below. Snapbite. Adilo wants to make your video making process easier. To record videos, Adilo comes with the Snapbite feature. This feature allows you to record videos from your internet browser. Once recorded, send as personalized video messages. You are not required to install any plugin or software. It even lets you request videos from your customer or any third parties. Just share your Snap links, and you are done. Hosting and management. Adilo allows you to upload an unlimited amount of media files. You can host videos and audio on their video cloud. You can also host recorded podcasts, audiobooks, and music. Engagement and marketing. With Adilo, you can grow your list of prospects using videos. To do that, it allows you to display opt-in forms right inside your videos. That way, you can collect leads with names, email addresses, and phone numbers. Cool, right? Security and anti-piracy. You no longer have to worry about piracy and the security of your video content. Adilo allows you to lock your videos with passwords. Also, you can whitelist domains that are allowed to play your videos. In addition, it has features like geolocation blocking, dynamic visual watermarks, multi-DRM anti-piracy technology, and so on. Adilo Lifetime Deal Features Overview. You can also add chapters to your videos for creating playlists, easy navigation, and beautiful video channels to curate your video content. For next-level lead generation, calls to action, maps, add lead capture forms and HTML forms inside your videos. Sync your video leads with over 1,000 apps through Zapier and native integrations like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Auber, ConvertKit, and GoToWebinar. It lets you automatically generate captions so that your videos can be more accessible to all audiences. It also automatically subtitles your video in other languages like French, Russian, Korean, Portuguese by giving your video a global reach. You can schedule your videos with Content Scheduler. It lets you quickly split test your video thumbnails and the videos themselves to see which ones perform the best. Use watermarking to add additional protection to your videos so that no one can screen record your videos and try to pass them off as their own. You can quickly record your screen and camera to create tutorials, video messages, product demos, and more. The retargeting suite lets you install Google or FB ad pixels directly inside your videos and build a custom audience. Select the right plan for you without codes or stacks. Upgrade, downgrade between 5 license tier. Adding an extra TB of bandwidth costs $29 divided by Mo. You can purchase 100 minutes of AI captions for an additional $15 divided by month. You can add on DRM licensing at $5 divided by month per 100 licenses. Team collaboration. Videos can be branded and watermarked. Host unlimited videos and audio without ad. CDN-based video delivery with high performance. Record and request videos with the Smart Video Recorder. Manage and collaborate projects easily. Playlists, chapters, and split testing for videos. Adding custom video controls, lead capture, CTAS, and many other tools for interaction. Integration of Google and Facebook Ads pixels. Scheduling video streams. Using video privacy. Analytics and heat maps for video. Video leads and contact management dashboard. Zapier, MailChimp, and more integrations. Fast search engine optimization and ranking. Adilo makes it easy for you to optimize your videos for engagement and create quality viewer experiences, so you can turn your videos into conversion machines. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Adilo today. One-time purchase of only $79.